I made it my mission to try and improve this van's ride. It's really hard. I put these Koni shocks. I did a whole bunch of stuff, but anyway, the latest thing are these sumo springs right here. And this is where I'm at now. I'll jack it back up. I'm skeptical that it's gonna improve anything at all, but who knows? Let's see. Oh wow. I didn't expect them to sit on the axle like that, but that's nice. Alright, we're going for a test drive. Hang on tight. Nothing has improved this ride like these sumo springs, the bump stops. I can't say enough great things about this.